How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs on this 95 Miata and the wires too. You're just going to need the 4 spark plugs. You don't really have to get the iridium or the really nice ones. I just wanted to upgrade to those. So I got those. You're going to need one of these. Socket for the spark plugs. Got some different ones over here. You can get like 3 of these at like AutoZone or anywhere for like $8. You can get like 3 or 4 of them. The wires, probably going to need one of these. This, some boot protector too. Then later I'm going to be replacing the cables, the cable connectors. So I got those, and that's pretty much all you're going to need to be doing this. Alright, so I'm just going to be doing these one at a time just so I don't get confused which one goes where. So I mean the first spark plug is always in front of the engine. So I'm going to start with this one, just pull it up. Pull it right out, and then I'm going to take the spark plug out and then replace the wire and then move on to the next one so I don't get confused. They might be a little bit hard to break loose, especially if you haven't done them in a while or you haven't done them at all. So I'm using an extension too. Extension will definitely help. But this one really wasn't that hard to get off, just a little bit. And then if you have like the magnetic socket, it'll be easy to take these out of there. If anything, you can use like pliers or something to get down in there. One out. I mean, you know, it has some wear on, definitely a lot of wear on it. Good thing we're replacing them now. But they were NGK too. Right up on here so that when the boot goes on, it doesn't get stuck on here. And just don't put any of this stuff on the tip right there. Just only on this white part. Spark plug. Straight down in. And start turning it until it starts getting hard to turn. Then you can use the ratchet. It's down. I mean, you just do a little research on it. I did. People say like you don't really need to torque them down a lot. You definitely don't want to strip the head out. So I'm just gonna put this on there, give it a little extra. You know, it doesn't really need to be a lot like that. That should be more than enough, because you really don't want to strip your head out or anything on these. And plus, some spark plug manufacturers say like just tight is good enough. Like NGK says just tighten them to where it's tight enough, and that's it. You don't really need any torque on them at all. Some say it's 12 foot-pounds of torque on these, but I just do it a little tight, and that's it. It seems to be working fine with that, so you really don't have to tighten these that hard. You just gotta pull it off from a little clip right here, meet it from in the back, pull it up, and boom, you're done. Grab the correct one that matches up, and I'm pretty sure it was this one. Let's put it next to it. Yep, that adds up. They can go in the trash. So I went ahead and replaced all of them. Once you do one, it's pretty self-explanatory how the rest go. It's all the same way. So now I'm done with this, so I'm gonna go replace the battery cable. I just finished replacing the battery connector. I didn't replace the cable, it didn't need to be. I just sanded it off, put a new connector on. It's really easy. Just take those 2 bolts off, take the connector off, put the connectors on, put those 2 bolts back on, screw them down, throw it back on here, tighten it to the ground connector, and you're done. So that took only like 30 seconds probably to do. So that'll provide a better ground. I sanded the terminal too, so it'll have good connection. So we're already good there with that. So let's see if she starts. Not too bad. Cold start. Doesn't sound like it's missing, so that's good. 2 is a tripod stand, so this is pretty cool. I'll be able to shoot when I'm standing in the car, upgrading the YouTube stuff. But yeah, everything worked out pretty good. Sounds good. It's at idling temperature. I'm gonna get a new steering wheel coming up in the next video, probably. Hopefully in the next like 3 videos I'll have the new steering wheel on. I'll show you guys me putting it in. But yeah, new videos coming soon. Stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.